Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic that how to keep your project on track. Friend, this is a very important question that whoever is working in any organization as a project manager and managing the projects. So it's a very important question and we all should have to know that how we can keep our project on track. So friend, let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start, friend. Friend, uh, we all, if you are a professional and managing projects, so first of all, first thing is that, friend, all the things start from the top. Top means, friend, like if you have a good team, if you have a good understanding CEO, so if you have a good CTO, so friend, all the things start from the top level. Like if you have a good team from top to bottom, so it's a good thing. For example, friend, if your software developers are not good, if your technical team is not competent enough, so obviously you will face problems and issues in your project. So this is a very common thing, very common scenario. So first of all, friend, and this is very important, that whatever the team with which you are working, it should be competent enough in each areas, not only in the technical domain, in the management, in procurement, marketing, communication. So the if you want to keep your project on track, so the first thing is that the each area should have the competent resources. This is the first thing which is very important. Okay, then the next point is that the project plan should be very clear. Like your mind should be clear that how you are going to implement the project, and not only yourself, the other resources who are working with you, they also should know that when we are going to deliver the things, your management, customer, all relevant stakeholders should have the clear visibility about the project plan. Project plan is not only about the schedule, we are talking about all the things like scope, risk, issues, cost, budget. So all these things should be very clear, not only with you but with all stakeholders as well. Focus on the critical path. We all know, friend, that critical path means that the longest path of the project. Longest path means that on this path the activities reside are the activities. If there is any delay in this path, if any activity delay, so project would also be delayed. The advantage of critical path knowledge is that you would know that the activities which are not on the critical path, if they get delayed, so your project will not be delayed as well. So you should have a very close eye on the critical path. Then the next one, friend, the you should have to meet, you should have to ask about the task owners, like for example from the technical leads, how things are going. You should have to meet with them continuously, asking with them how things are going, and is there any issue, is there any problem. And you should have to close, you should have a close eye, either things are closing on time or not. So you should have a very close follow up with the task owners. You should impress project supporters, like for example functional managers, CEO, CTO, project managers, etc. So you should have to meet with them, talk with them, and always try to have relationships, very good relationship with them. Then celebrate success. Celebrate success means, friend, that whenever, not necessary that you will celebrate only when your project completed, well, like for example very important milestones is completed, so you can have a celebration, you can go outside, have some lunch, etc., have some dinner, etc. So this is very important, because see, friend, here success will produce further success. This is a very important lesson. Okay, then the next point is simplify the things. Don't try to complicate the things, don't try to make so many documents and so many things that complicate the things. Always try to keep things very simple so that everyone can understand. Monitor the metrics. Monitor metrics means that if you have metrics, like for example you know that in this month these things, these deliverables should be completed, so you should, these quality metrics should be followed, these deliverables should be completed on time, so you should have a close eye that either things are completed or not, on time or not. Don't take your eye off the prize means, friend, that whenever you are working, your main focus is on the end product, end things. like how things ends well. If anything ends well, if obviously the result will also be good. So friend, always have a close eye, always have a focus on the end result. Then the last point, which is the very important point, which is communicate, communicate, communicate. That means friend, as a project manager, you have to communicate with like 99%. Your responsibility is the communication with the stakeholders, with the project managers, with the senior management, with your team members, with your technical team. So communication is your key through which you can succeed in your life and you can complete project on your time. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.